Yeah, we're installing 4 numbered new tracks for Blackpool Pleasure Beach, which we was pretty much 6 to 7 months ago instructed to do, give us the job, set a lot of faith in us because we've previously never made anything like this before. It's all new to the actual company, and yeah, it's the installation of the 4 tracks today that you can see that's going on behind me.
Well, we got put in contact with Taziker, with Jared by some mutual colleagues. We invited Jared to come in, have a look at the job. He was really interested, really enthusiastic, and we kind of spent a lot of time planning and talking how we're going to deal with the geometry issues on the track. Gave us loads and loads of confidence, and we thought, well, let's have that. The whole experience has been really, really positive. We've had an awful lot of dialogue between us, right from the very beginning, how we're going to actually go about doing the fabrication, what design data we're going to use, what geometry we're going to follow. The whole thing, the information exchange has been brilliant. We've done a number of visits to the factory to see how progress was going from when the original track was taken out and jigged at the factory to seeing the new track in various stages of production and fabrication and going through the NDT testing and all that, and then seeing it at the painting facilities. So it's been a really, really good process throughout.
The guys who are actually erecting it behind us are part of the BPB erection services, and they've talked to us before and said that everything's gone really well. They're happy all the bolts meet up, the track alignment's excellent, the track fit up to the existing fit up, because of all the planning that we did in the previous months has paid dividend today. Everything that we've done has been really, really thought out. So yeah, we're really pleased how things have gone. It's been a pretty successful day. Well,
on the strength of what we can see behind us now and the way that's fitted in, I think Taziker Engineering Services will be top of that list.